Ayo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Potter with Grandmaster Drift. You can tell by the title, Bingo Wasp has sent me his new chassis for the Redcat RDS. I am in complete shock right now. I have an idea of what's in here. He told me he actually finished off the shock towers, the strut towers that go across. And I think there's some other goodness in here. So we're gonna find out. Like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, huge shout out to Bingo Wasp. This would not be happening. He was not willing to send me this for the review to check this out. Chasing performance with the Redcat RDS, and this is gonna be huge. So I'm gonna pull this out of the way for a few minutes. And yeah, let's just pop this open, because like I said, I kind of have an idea of what this is gonna be, but those extra pieces, I'm like, man, what an honor, you know, watching reviews from Nezzo's Bad Shop and places like that, to getting the chance, oh, I cut it a little bit, getting the chance to review this myself. Yeah, I absolutely am so stoked. I cut it a little bit there, but oh my goodness. So I'm gonna do an unboxing here with you guys right now, and then in the video I'll install it, taking a video, that entire process, and then for a third video I'm gonna take it out on the track. So here are those towers, those shock towers. Man, that red carbon fiber. He asked me what color. I said red all the way for the Redcat. He's got a wide selection of colors to choose from, but man, this is just so beautiful. Let's go. He's got all the hardware, the brace, the upper brace, the upper deck. That is so sick. Oh my gosh. Oh, how light this is and how thin, and I'll do a comparison when I'm installing this. Oh man, how fly is that? I am just almost at a loss for words here. Man, this is so well made. All the holes routed out. I love the Bingo Wasp legendary honeycomb design right there. Oh man, this is insane. And okay, I wasn't yo, how legendary. So I had planned on getting this myself, and he just went ahead and just threw it in. Man, bro, Bingo Wasp, what a guy. So this is the high center of gravity mount, and this, oh man, this is gonna be so cool. Let's go. So everything he sent me, high center of gravity mount, battery mount, then we've got the deck, and then his newly made strut towers. Man, let's go. This is insane. The hardware on here with that anodized red, man, I just keep saying it. Like I said, almost at a loss for words. Just, I don't make many unboxing videos either. This is gonna be so much fun to install, to see the difference in performance. I'm gonna weigh it, see if there's a major difference in weight. I can already tell. I mean, this is so, because I've taken my car apart twice now, and I can tell, yeah, this is so cool. So hopefully you guys are hyped. Like I said, Bingo Wasp, Bingo Designs, Bingo RC Designs makes a wide range, excuse me, I can't even talk. Wide ranging, wow, I might even cut that out. Yeah, so Bingo RC Designs, Bingo Wasp makes a wide range of designs, all kinds of things. Yeah, go check them out. I'm definitely gonna put the link down below. But man, that carbon fiber is spicy. Chassis flex, minimal, yes. The towers too, the matching towers, the high center of gravity mount. This is just gonna look so dang good. How cool. And so yeah, even if you don't have a Redcat RDS and you're watching this, pretty much all the chassis, all the major brands that I can tell from Yokomo's, all of those kind of chassis, he's got a chassis for you. Forged carbon, carbon fiber. I've seen blue, red. There's a couple different colors, purple. But man, there's that word man again. But sick. So hopefully you guys are hyped. This was just, like I said, an unboxing for you guys. You know what? Might as well. While we're here, let's pop this open. Might as well. Some of that hardware. Oh, that's cool for the battery holder. Even that is carbon fiber. Man, that anodized. I need to get some of those spacers, those standoffs for the rest of my car. So now I'm gonna need those to match. I wonder if he sells those. The battery holder. Spicy. Then the two holders on either side right there. Then we've got the high center of gravity mounts. Those will just mount up. So awesome. So got everything unboxed here. Got everything checked out. Got all the necessary hardware. Not gonna have to go looking for anything for that. And it actually looks like it's adjustable. So if you didn't want it all the way, you could even change how high you want it. Wow, okay, that's sick. So endless combination, endless tunability with this chassis. I'm seeing all the holes, the mounting points. I don't even know what all of the mounting points are for, because I think we're gonna utilize most of those, but having all those extra hard, like these two next to each other, you definitely don't use those at the same time. So I'm gonna find out. This is like I said, just an unboxing. I'm learning with you guys. Anybody who's been following the channel for basically a few months knows that I'm new. But if you're new here, might as well shameless plug, like, comment, subscribe, drop that follow, much appreciated. But so I don't even know all the combination of mounting points, so I might actually reach out. I'll try to find out some more on that. The upper deck looking good, and then the front and rear towers, shock towers. Let's go. Not much to say there. Pretty much I would assume that this is going to be the stock geometry, stock shape and outline. Try to check even. Okay, pretty much the same. Maybe even, nope, that's the front. So this is the back. Okay, no, yeah, we're basically identical. It's got a little bit different cut. Same for the back. We're looking pretty similar. So in the install video, we'll look more into that to confirm that. And here are all the products that I used in this video. That way, if you want the product number, find it on your own. He does supply to retailers. He doesn't sell himself off of his website, so you have to find one of the retailers. So part numbers for the high center of gravity battery tray. We've got the Bingo Wasp RDS chassis, and then the Bingo Wasp RDS shock towers. So got the numbers over in the corner, the product numbers, and then everything in the video is in the red carbon fiber. Just to be clear. So like I said, links down below, but Bingo RC Designs, Bingo Wasp decks. Man, oh man, what an honor to be reviewing this. I don't think anybody's done it on YouTube yet, so definitely like, comment, subscribe for more of this content. See how this all goes. Install video, and then we'll take it to the track. So much appreciated, guys. Keep an eye out for that next video. Like, comment, subscribe. But most importantly, never stop evolving. You already know.